trying to figure out where to drill the hole for the drain at. We were gonna do it right in the middle, but apparently there's a beam right there, so. So the beams are where all these little marks that he just made, so right here, it'll be perfectly in the middle, right? This, of course, needs to be cleaned up first, and then this is also going to be caulked around the edges, but we're just seeing how it fits. That's what he said. She said. Really? Stealthy, yo! I'm just gonna cover this completely so we don't get any buggies crawling up the drain hole. Alright, I'm not gonna lie. This wet bath is turning into one hot mess. It started out one hot mess. The guy who built this before me, who framed this in, he did it very uneven. So as you see up here, we have this little lip that we had to deal with, and oh, I'm not getting it on there. I'm gonna do to cover up all these uneven cuts here and up here and over here and basically everywhere, is I bought this RV sealant tape, and it lasts a really long time and it keeps the water out. So I'm assuming it's going to do the same thing with keeping the water in. So let's do it. This stuff is a real pain in the ass, I tell you what. Taking me a really long time to get it nice and straight, which it is not nice and straight, but that's okay because it matches everything else in this tiny house. It'll do. All right, so I got all the cracks and crevices and all the seams sealed up and pushed on the edges to make sure they're nice and watertight. All right, guys, so I'm just about 90% done with the wet bath, but let me just show you one thing here before I show you everything. This is where I'm going to be putting the shower at. Everything's going to be outside of the walls because it's too thin to put any piping in between the walls in the insulation, so I'm going to have all exposed piping. And this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to cut it to right there, and I'm taking off these handles and whatnot. So it's just going to be this pipe here, and then I'm going to put a different mixer, I guess is what it's called, and then I'm going to put a different shower head on here too. But that's basically what it's going to look like. It's going to be an exposed pipe and exposed shower. And yeah, so let me show you the rest.